And so that's why we see that the universe is not round like we would expect, but rather it is oval shaped. And that's due to the collapsing. Now in 1998 they discovered that we are accelerating instead of slowing down. You'd expect after a big explosion that as things begin to spin apart that they would eventually slow down as the gravity attracts them. Together, we'd expect to slow down and hopefully reach what's called a steady state or collapse. Flying apart and then eventually slowing down, and then depending on if there's sufficient mass or not, we could come collapsing back together is what's speculated. But what's happening instead is that as north is driven to south and it begins to collapse here in the center, it sends out repulsive forces. So the new force that has not been defined, that scientists don't understand, why are we starting to accelerate? Since 1998 it was observed, well, the reason why we're accelerating is everything out to the sides, while everything in the center is being driven together, the rest is being thrown out the side in repulsive forces, and hence we are beginning to accelerate. And the thing you'll notice at the center of most galaxies, because of the collapse, is there's usually a black hole, what I call a neutrino hell, where everything is collapsed together. So we're also going to get from this some rays due to this implosion effect. Now, Einstein knew full well what the Big Bang meant, and it led him to say that the universe is too mathematically perfect to have come about by chance. He knew full well that the implications of the Big Bang was that there is a creative designer. But the problem is scientists just still haven't quite caught up with God yet. And they dare to criticize the Bible, just like a grade school student would criticize a book on calculus just because he doesn't understand all the symbols that are therein. And so praise be to God for revealing these truths to theologians who love and believe in God, and scientists who love and believe in God. And just remember, you heard it here first. The great I am that I am is the one who revealed what's going on to me concerning the creation of the universe. Praise be to God. That's over and out for now. If you need to reach me, I'm at theomatica888 at AOL.com, and that's also my handle on MySpace. Thank you so much for listening.